Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play MLB The Show online. First, understand that the game offers many ways to compete against other players, whether they are your friends or opponents worldwide. A great feature is cross-platform play, letting you connect with anyone, regardless of their console. You can also dive into Diamond Dynasty, a fantastic mode where you collect cards and build your ultimate team to challenge others. To get started, ensure cross-platform play is active in your profile settings. This lets you play with friends on any console. Next, navigate to your quick menu and open your friends list to see who is currently online. From there, you can easily invite them to a match. If you are looking for more structured competition, explore Diamond Dynasty to build your squad and jump into various online programs. Hey everyone, if you are finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, are you tired of messy lunches? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They are perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to grab yours and discover other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have your friends online, simply click their name on your friends list and select Invite to Exhibition Game. Before the match begins, you can customize various settings, including the ballpark, inning length, and even the weather conditions. Beyond playing with friends, you can also explore Diamond Dynasty's online options like ranked seasons for competitive play, casual matches, or even co-op with teammates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.